Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions? Like every week is a photocopy of the last. That was me, 26 years old, engineer, living what looked like a perfectly normal life, a steady 9-5 job, a reliable routine. But on the inside, after a couple of years, something was shifting. A slow creep of boredom. A sense that my days were blending together in this endless loop. I wasn't unhappy, but I wasn't thriving. I felt stuck, like my brain was on autopilot while my best ideas were stuck in traffic in the back of my mind. The turning point came from a simple mistake. I'd had way too much caffeine way too late, and as I lay in bed, my mind decided it was the perfect time to host a brainstorming marathon. Ideas, thoughts, random fragments, they all came rushing in. Some felt brilliant, like flashes of insight, others were just noise. For hours, it was this chaotic, unorganized stream of consciousness. The next morning, two hard truths hit me. First, I'd forgotten almost everything. The genius ideas from 3 a.m. gone. What I could remember were just fragments, incomplete and fuzzy. Second, the few ideas I did hold onto felt overwhelming. They were huge, ambitious, but had no structure, no starting point. They felt less like opportunities and more like mental clutter. That's when it hit me. If creativity and bringing my ideas to life is what makes me truly fulfilled, then I had a fundamental problem. I had no system to capture my own mind. I was losing my best thoughts before they ever had a chance. So I went looking for a solution. I knew journaling was the classical answer, but a physical notebook didn't fit my digital life. I needed something that I had always with me, flexible and searchable. The right answer was in front of me, Notion. It's the tool I use for everything, so why not my mind and creativity? But I didn't want just another blank page. I needed a method. So I designed one and built a tool around it. I call it the Power Journal, and it's built on a 3-step daily cycle I named fittingly the Power Method. Let me walk you through how it works. Step 1, the morning capture. This isn't about writing poetry, it's a practical brain dump. First, I try to recapture those elusive thoughts from the day before, the ones that hit right before sleep. Second, I offload everything swirling in my head right now. Worries, to-dos, random sparks. The goal isn't perfection, it's to clear the mental cache so I can start the day with focus, not fatigue. Step 2, the day notes. This is my running log for everything. Meeting notes, a cool article link, a student ID for a project, a reminder to call someone. Everything goes here in the moment with zero filtering. The Power Journal becomes my central trusted bucket for all incoming information. No more lost sticky notes or forgotten phone memos. But the true magic happens here in step 3, the evening reflection. This is where the system comes alive. I review everything from the day, the morning brain dump and the daily notes. Now, with a little distance, I play editor. I archive what's no longer relevant. I pin what matters, the insights that still resonate, the ideas with potential, the recurring themes. This quiet review is where connections form. It's not just organization, it's where creativity speaks. You start to see the patterns in your own thinking. Doing this cycle did something profound. It transformed the chaos into clarity. That endless loop feeling, it broke. By constantly capturing and curating my thoughts, I stopped losing pieces of myself. The ideas that truly mattered began to rise to the surface and stick around. They evolved. This isn't just a notepad, it's a daily filter for your mind. It builds a living database of your priorities, your creativity, and your growth over time. It took me from feeling mentally cluttered and stuck to feeling focused, creative, and back in the driver's seats of my own thoughts. If you ever felt that same frustration of having ideas slip away or feeling mentally scattered, I want you to try it. I've turned the exact system I just described into a ready-to-use Notion template. It's structured, beautiful, and designed to guide you through this exact 3-step method from day one. You can get the Power Journal for free. The link is in the description. If it resonates with you, hit the like button. It really helps. Subscribe if you want more ideas on productivity and creativity with Notion. Thanks for watching. It was Baptiste. Ciao.